way too sharp.
You wanted stilettos, right?
Yeah.
Well, stilettos, they're supposed to be sharp.
Yeah, but like I want them pointy, but like how am I supposed to wipe? Like these are way too sharp.
I don't know what you want. Like, do you want an almond shape then?
No, I don't want an almond. I want the point.
So you want the stilettos.
Yeah, I want stilettos.
These are stilettos right here.
Yeah, but they're like really sharp. Like that's dangerous.
So you want me to round the top part?
No, I just don't want it sharp.
I'm not really getting what kind of shape you want.
I want stilettos. I just don't want them sharp.
Okay. So let me round the top.
No, I don't want rounded tops.
So you want them like the sharp part?
You're the nail tech. Why don't you just do it how I'm asking? Because I'm the customer.
Well, I'm trying to do exactly what you want. You want it sharp, right?
Yeah, no, I don't want it sharp. I just want it pointed.
So you want stilettos?
Yes.
All right. Is this sharp or not sharp?
That's too sharp. You can figure it out.
All right. You're a psycho bitch, huh?